Hello and welcome back to our travel hack series. But this one is a little bit different.
No expensive gear, just cheap, mostly low-tech essentials that will seriously upgrade your trip. And you might even already have some of them at home.
Hit subscribe and let's dive in.
First up, health and safety items, because nobody wants to get sick or to lose anything on vacation.
Number 1, a first aid kit. It's always smart to have like some bag or box, or in this case, like a hard box that we bought with first aid items inside, like pain relievers for headache, anti-diarrhea meds, because we had some new food get the best of us. Band-aids for blisters and cuts, basically things that you can manage without the doctor, but could still ruin your day if not dealt with.
Can't go on that 2-hour walking tour with a massive blister. Number 2, mosquito repellent wipes. Since they're wipes, you don't have to worry about liquid restrictions on planes or anything. So you can just have them in all of your bags all the time for those moments when you've forgotten your bug spray or just weren't expecting mosquitoes. This has come in clutch for me so many times.
Number 3, hand sanitizer wipes. Again, you can throw these in your carry-on bag without worrying about liquid limits, so you always have something to clean your hands or your dirty plane seat before you enjoy your onboard snack.
Hello, Biscoff cookies. Number 4, electrolyte packets. We all know how much an airplane dries out your nose, your mouth, everything. To avoid a whole host of issues from headaches to jet lag, staying hydrated is key. And one way to help your body out is throw one of these little bad boys in a bottle of water. These can also come in handy if you enjoy the nightlife in your destination a little too much, or eat some sketchy street food and are dealing with the unpleasant consequences. Not sponsored, but electrolyte companies, get in touch with us. We would be thrilled to work with you.
Yes, we love it.
We really do. We use it all the time.
Number 5, tea bags, and especially chamomile. If you're like us and you like to try local food, you have probably had a moment where one didn't agree with you and your stomach is feeling just a little bit unsteady. The perfect thing to soothe it, a cup of chamomile tea. Feeling just generally under the weather or in need of a good night of sleep after changing time zones, a cup of chamomile tea can work wonders.
Number 6, Listerine strips. This is a bit of a throwback back to, say, maybe the early 2000s, but these little guys can come in handy. Say you can't get to a sink or clean water to brush your teeth after a very fragrant meal, Listerine strips. Or maybe you've just landed after an overnight flight, you're standing there in the, immigration line, and you realize, that morning breath, it is there. Listerine strips could fix your problem.
Listerine strips, Listerine strips.
Sounded like I was gonna break into song.
Number 7, different kind of locks. You should always lock your check bag before handing it over to the airline. Ideally, with a TSA-friendly lock, so they don't have to break it open if they decide to open your bag. But there might be other instances where a lock could come in handy, such as if you are staying in a hostel or if you discover your accommodation doesn't have a security box and you simply have to leave some valuable behind. You are out for the day.
Number 8, a hidden pocket hair scrunchie. Girl pockets are the worst. Nothing fits in them, cash gets pushed out of them when you sit down, and that's if your outfit even has pockets. For those no pocket and no bag situations, like concerts, for example, this little guy comes in handy. Throw some cash in the zipper pocket and voila, you've got a secret stash of funds around your wrist or in your hair. I've also put a room key in it before when I didn't want to bring a bag out with me. Mostly low-tech travel essentials. Old school, practical items that just come in handy.
Number 9, a sewing kit. Those little sewing kits that sometimes hotel has in their amenities. Take those with you and keep them in your backpack or carry-on. You never know when your pants will rip right where you don't want them to, or the most awkward of your bottom pops off of your favorite dress.
Number 10, safety pins. For those moments when you don't actually have time to sew something. It's always a good idea to have a couple safety pins with you, especially if you're traveling for a wedding. I can't tell you how many times I've used these or have given one to a friend or even a stranger at weddings.
Number 11, an extra bag that folds up nice and tidy. maybe the most low-tech of everything in this whole video, but there are so many times this has come in handy. I'd say the top two are using it as an emergency personal item when we have done a little too much shopping, and bringing it to go grocery shopping in a new city. I'm sure that you will find a million other uses for it.
Number 12, a handheld luggage scale. Do you have a tendency to overpack or maybe go a little wild shopping while you're on vacation? Things like wine, olive oil, pickles. Guys, they're heavy, but they're important. So sometimes you've got to use your little emergency personal carry-on item to take out some of the non-liquid weight out of your suitcase that you have conveniently checked the weight of with your handheld luggage scale. While I wouldn't say these are super accurate, you'll at least have an idea of if you're in the luggage weight danger zone. That way you can be ready to pull out a few heavy items like shoes, thick sweaters, jeans, and toss them in your handy dandy little extra bag. Or maybe you just pay less for extra weight ahead of time if you are way over the limit.
Number 13, vacuum seal bags. If your issue is space and not weight, these bags can come in handy. I wouldn't say we use these often, but if you're coming from a warm climate and you need to take a couple of thick sweaters or a puffy coat to a cold weather destination, they can be super helpful.
Those are our low-tech travel essentials, but I'm sure we missed some. What's the one random item you never travel without? Let us know in the comments and we might include it in our next video.
Subscribe to find out
And follow along with our travels.
See you in the next one.
This has come in clutch for me so many times.
Number 7, different kinds of Number 7, different types of Number 7, 6, 7.
Oh,
Listerine strips, Listerine strips.
Listerine strips, Listerine strips. Na 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 na. For the freshest of lips.